It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Setup for a Comeback. In a day and the time of crisis, I want to give you tips to come back. We're in the midst of a challenging time, yet even with the challenges of life, I still say that the good outweighs the bad. The happy outweighs the sad. Yes, life is challenging, but it is also wonderful. From the moment you are born to the moment you die, you will have some beauty and you will have some challenges. The key is you need to make the decision to look at the situation from a positive perspective. My friend COLB from Radio 1 shared with me how he had been able to spend quality time with his teenage daughter and how it has been a blessing to his family. So friend, if you cannot change the situation, you must remember you can decide your response and how you will make it better. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com, winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. And remember, your best is yet to come.